Hello students, this is a continuation video of our chapter 2, that is exponent. In this particular video we will solve exercise 2.1. So before solving, let us recall what we have discussed in our previous class. In our previous class we discussed mainly about two things. One was negative integral or negative power, that is how we express a number with which have negative power, and another was multiplicative inverse. So let us start with the negative integral. For example, a number a, it has negative power as minus n. We know we can express this in the form 1 by a to the power n. Up to this clear? Okay. So for this let us take one example. For example, 2 to the power minus 3, we can write in the form as 1 by 2 to the power 3. Here we will remove the minus sign. We have discussed in our previous class how we remove the minus sign, right? We have taken examples of 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, like this. Okay. So for this we can write 2 to the power minus 3 in the form 1 by 2 to the power 3. This was one expression we have find out in our previous class. Another is multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse means what? Multiplicative inverse. Okay, for this let us take one example. For example, let a number be a. Okay, in multiplicative inverse is that the product of a number and its reciprocal is 1. That means reciprocal of a is what? Reciprocal of a, it will be 1 by a. So when we multiply a with 1 by a, our result gets 1. This is the what? Multiplicative inverse, that is the product of a number and its reciprocal is 1. So multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. For example, multiplicative inverse of 2, multiplicative inverse of 2 will be 1 by 2, multiplicative inverse of 3 will be 1 by 3, like this. Now we discussed one more thing, that we have find out multiplicative inverse with the number having negative powers. Most probably we have solved one example which is for 7 minus 2, right? We have find out the negative, we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of 7 minus 2. For this, first of all we have to express 7 minus 2 in this form, because we know a to the power n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. So here a is 7, so we can write is 1 by 7 square. So we have expressed 7 to the power minus 2 in this form, right? Okay. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So if we find its reciprocal, that is it will be 1 by 7 square. Clear? Reciprocal means what? Reciprocal of a number means it got divided with 1, or it. Clear? Okay. So now it will be this 7 square will go here, right? It will be 7 square divided by 1. So this one we did not need to write. So it will be 7 square, and 7 square is 49. So our multiplicative inverse of 7 square is 49. Clear? Okay. So now we will solve our exercise, and if we find any any other type of questions, we will discuss there. So we are here with our first question of our exercise 2.1. Here the question is, express each of the following in the form of rational number. That is, we have to express the numbers in the form of rational number. So first of all, let us recall what was rational number. Rational number is the number which we can express in the form of p by q, where q not equals 0. So we have to express minus 2 to the power 5 in the rational number. For this, first of all let us find out the result of minus 2 to the power 5. That means what? We have to multiply minus 2 5 times. It will be like this: minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first of all let us multiply. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Clear? This 32. Now for sign, that is minus sign. What will be the sign? Will it be plus or will it be minus? Let us see. Look here, minus is plus. That means this is plus. Then again plus minus is minus. Clear? This is minus. Then minus plus. Up to this we have plus sign. Then again there is another minus. So plus minus it will be minus. So our result will be minus 32. One main funda is what? If we have power even, for example, let us look, minus 2 to the power 2, we can write it in the form as minus 2 into minus 2. It will be 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 4, minus plus. One main funda is what? If we have power, this power even, sign may be positive or negative, sign will always be what? It will be always be positive. Clear? And if we have this minus sign and we have odd power, sign will be odd. Clear? Okay. So here power is odd, so sign is also odd. It will not change. If this is power is 4, it would have changed, because for 4 we have to forget this 2, right? So it will be what? Look, minus plus, then plus minus, then minus again plus. So it will be plus. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to our next question. Next is minus 5 by 6 power 3. Minus 5 by 6 power 3. Minus 5 by 6 to the power 3. So we can write like this, minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6 again multiply minus 5 by 6, right? Yes, there is 3. So we have multiplied minus 5 by 6 3 times. So now we will multiply numerator into numerator into numerator and with denominator and denominator. So it will be like this, 6 into 6 into 6, then here minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Up to this clear? Okay. Our next step will be 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 1 to 5. And as this power is what? My power is odd and their sign is also minus, that is negative. So this will also be negative. Clear? Okay, if you don't understand, then look like this. There minus is plus, then plus minus is minus, so minus. Now for 6, 6 into 6 is 36, 36 into 6 is 216, 216. So this is our required answer, or that is, this is our required rational number of minus 5 by 6 to the power 3. Okay. Now let us move to our next question, which is 2 power minus 4. We have to express 2 to the power minus 4 in rational number. Clear? 2 to the power minus 4. For this, to express any number which have negative in power, we know one expression, that is a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay, so we will express 2 to the power minus 4 in this form. So it will be 1 by 2 to the power minus 4. It will be what? 1 by 2 to the power 4 will write in bracket, since a to the power minus n equals 1 by n. Clear? So now if we now we will find out 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which equals 1 by 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So 1 by 16 is our required answer. Clear? Why we have express 2 to the power minus 4 in this form 1 by 2 to the power 4? Because we know this expression, right? When a number have negative power, we must express this in this form. Clear? Okay. So next question is minus 4 to the power minus 4. So as there is power is minus, so first of all we have to express it, we have to bring it in positive, right? It will be 1 by minus 4 to the power whole to the power 4. Clear? We can write like this also, 1 by minus 4 to the power 4. If we for looking better, we give we can give a whole power, and we can write as power 4 also. We can take power common, because any number, because if a number 1 has any power, because if it has 100 power also, its value will never change. So we can write minus 4 to the power minus 4 as 1 by minus 4 to the power 4, since we have one expression, a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. Now we have to multiply 1 by minus 4 how many times? 4 times. So we will multiply 1 by 4, 1 by minus 4 into 4 times, 1 by minus 4 into 1 by minus 4 into 1 by minus 4. Clear? Okay. Now we will multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Here numerator is 1. So if you multiply 1 with 1 how many times? The result will be 1. Clear? Now next is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 32. 32 into 4 is 256. Clear? Now let come towards sign. Here power is what? Even. As I told you, if power is even and sign is minus, sign will become what? Positive. Okay, let us look. Minus minus is plus, plus minus minus, and again minus minus is plus. So it is 1 by 256. So this is our required answer. Clear? Okay. So our fifth question is minus 4 by 5 power minus 2. So again we have to express it in that form. So our next line will be 1 by minus 4 by 5, 1 by minus 4 by 5 whole power 2. Clear? Okay. Now this is 1 by 4 is what? Reciprocal, or 4 by 1 by 1 divided by 4 by 5 is reciprocal of 4 by 5. So 5 will go in numerator, right? This 5 will go here. So our next line will be 5 by minus 4, 5 by minus 4, right? Okay. So and then whole square. Now we have to multiply 5 by minus 4 2 times. So it will be 5 by minus 4 into 5 by minus 4. So 5 into 5 is 25, and minus 4 into minus 4 is 4 into 4 is how much? 16. Then minus minus, it will be plus. So our required answer is 25 by 16. Okay. So this was our first question. Now let us move to our second. So now we are here with our second question. The second question is write the multiplicative inverse of the following. So multiplicative inverse we know is what? Multiplicative inverse of any number is its reciprocal. So let us solve. Here first question is 7 by minus 2. So before finding the reciprocal of 7 by minus 2, one thing we have to express that we have to look here power is minus. So we know if we have power minus, one thing we have to do is what? We have to express it in the form. We will take first one. As this power is minus, we have to express it in the form, we have to make it plus, right? So it will be 1 by 7 to the power 2. Clear? Up to this. Okay. We write here since a to the power n, a to the power minus n equals a to the power n. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this number. Okay, we have to find out multiplicative inverse of this, that is 1 by 7 square. Up to this clear? In this case what we have done, in first case we have just removed the minus sign. We have, that is their power is negative, we make the power positive in first case. Now so we have find out this number. So now we have to find this multiplicative inverse of this expression or this number, that is 1 by 7 square. So if we find its reciprocal of 1 by 7 square, we will write it like this, right? 1 by 7 square, this is our reciprocal. So here this 7 square will go in the numerator, right? It will go in this place. So our next step will be 7 square divided by 1, and we no need to write this 1 in denominator. So our expression will be 7 square, and we know 7 square is 49. 7 into 7 is 49. Clear? So multiplicative inverse of 7 square is 49. So we will write hence multiplicative inverse multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power minus 2 equals 49 or 7 square. Clear? This was our first one, that is for 7 minus 2. Now our second is minus 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 3, right? For this, first of all we have to solve this part. For finding multiplicative inverse, first we have to solve, then we have to find out the number of which we have to find the multiplicative inverse. Here the question is minus 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 3. So first of all let us solve. So minus 4 to the power 3 means what? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, then into 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. So this is numerator, right? So numerator into numerator multiply, denominator into denominator multiply, it will be minus 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64, and this power is what? Negative, that is odd. So this that is negative sign will be there. Now for this case 2 to the power 3 means what? 8, and we know 8 into 8 is 64, that is our required number is minus 8. Clear? Minus 8. Now we have to find this multiplicative inverse of minus 8. So if we its reciprocal will be, the reciprocal of minus 8 will be 1 by minus 8. So that will be our required answer. So we will write hence multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse of minus 4 power 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 3, that is minus 8. This minus 8 equals this one, right? Because we have solved this minus 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 3 and we got result minus 8. So we will write hence multiplicative inverse of minus 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 3, that is minus 8, is multiplicative inverse of minus 8 is what? Its reciprocal. So it will be 1 by minus 8. Finished. Very easy, right? So here our next question is 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. That is, we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 5 minus square divided by 5 minus 4. So first of all let us find the let us solve this one and we see what the result comes. Here the question is 5 minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. One thing, look, for 5 to the power minus 2 we have to express this in the form 5 square, right? 1 by 5 square, and for 5 to the power minus 4 we have to express it in the form as 5 to the power 4. Clear? Okay. So now we will write this in this form, that is 1 by 5 square divided by 1 by 5 to the power 4. Our next step will be, if we divide, look like this, that is 1 by 5 square divided by 1 by 5 to the power 4. If we divide like this 1 by 5 will got what, multiplied, and our next line will be like this, that is 1 by 5 square into 5 to the power 4 divided by 1. Clear? Okay. So now we will multiply numerator into numerator, that is 5 to the power 4 into 1 is 5 to the power 4, and 5 to the power 2 into 1 is 5 to the power 2. Clear? Okay. So here if we divide, it will got cancelled, right? Or okay, if we multiply 5 into 4 is what? 5 to the power 4 is 625. Divided by 5 square means what? 25. So 625 divided by 25 is 25. So our solution of this number, of this expression, that is 5 minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 4 is what? 25. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this 25. So reciprocal of 25 is 1 by 25. So we will write hence that is reciprocal, sorry, multiplicative inverse. Hence multiplicative inverse of 5 minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4, that is 25. That is 25 is 1 by 25. Clear? I hope you are getting my points right. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now let's move to our next one, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 to the power minus 2. For this again we have to express in our that is we have to remove the minus sign, right? So our next question is 3 by 4 to the power minus 2. We can write in the form 1 by 3 by 4 whole square, right? Whole square. This sign will be what? Positive. Now this this 4 will go in the denominator. So it will be 4 by 3 whole square. 4 by 3 whole square. Okay. So next line will be 4 by 3 whole square. 4 square means what? 4 square. 4 square is 4 into 4, and 3 square 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 is 16, 3 into 3 is 9. Clear? So our required answer is what? 16 by 9. Now we have to find the reciprocal of 16 by 9. So it will be what? Again it will got divided, right? That is, it will be like this, 1 by 16 by 9. 1 by 16 by 9 means what? 9 divided by 16. Clear? It will be in this form, right? So we will write hence multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 4 minus whole to the power minus square that is which? 16 by 9, that is 16 by 9 is 9 by 16. Clear? Okay, so this was your question number 2. Now we will move to our next question, that is question 3. So our next question is, show that 3 by 5 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 whole bracket minus 1 equals minus 3 by 4. That means we have to find this, that is LHS equals RHS. Clear? So first of all let us start with LHS. So let solution, then LHS, that is left hand side equals, we will write this expression 3 by 5 minus 1, 3 by 5 minus 1, then minus 1 by 3 minus 1 whole bracket minus 1. Look one thing here, we have power minus 1, right? For I am talking about this this expression, that is 3 by 5 minus 1. Now we know we have, if we have power minus 1, the result will be like this, right? That is here 3 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 1, can we write it in the form as 1 by 3 by 5 to the power 1, clear? So it will be 5 by 3, 5 by 3, right? This will be this 5 will go in the numerator, clear? Okay, so here we will not write these steps because it will be a long one. We will directly write this one, it will be 5 by 3. So our next line will be 5 by 3, this will be 5 by 3 minus same this for this it will be what, 3 by 1, what, it will be 3 by 1, 3 divided by 1 or 3, clear? We no need to write denominator as 1, it will be 5 by 3 minus 3, up to this, clear? Okay, then we will close our first bracket and we will close third bracket also, and we will give this minus 1, clear? Okay, now we will solve this part, that is 5 by 3 minus 3. Let us solve. Here we will write one thing, since a to the power n equals a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n, clear? Okay, so next step we have to find out the LCM, right? It will be what, 3, it will be 3, then 3 divided by 3 is 1, that is 1 into 5, it will be 5, and then 3 divided by 1 is 3, so 3 into 3 it is 9. I have closed this third bracket here, and now we will write minus 1, minus 1. Now 5 minus 9, 5 minus 9 is minus 4, minus 4 divided by 3, minus 4 divided by 3, it is what, then we have to give this bracket, third bracket, minus 1, clear? Now this expression is in the earlier form, right? For like this, a to the power minus n, clear? Consider this minus 4 by 9 as a, minus 4 by 9 as a, and this minus 1 as minus n. Now we know we have to express this form in 1 by a to the power n. So if we divide, if we express this, it will be in the form, this 3 will go in the numerator and 4 will come in the denominator, right? As in like this. So we will write our next line will be 3 by minus 4, sorry, yes, 3 by minus 4, 3 by minus 4. Look here, RHS is also 3 by minus 4, so we write equals RHS, clear? Okay.